Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 40 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required for this operation, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, and then you can enter the Play Store. You will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If not, you will have to right now either log in or sign up. Or you can simply check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. So now all we have to do is tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is your account, and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now let's tap on Manage, and as you can see here, we've got the full list of the installed apps, and simply tap on Updates Available to check which one can be updated. So now, if you want to, you can mark all of those apps to update all, or choose specific options like, for example, in my case, Google Chrome, Maps, maybe Gmail also. After marking, tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see right now, your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So you do not have to do anything more, just wait patiently. You can turn off the Play Store completely, everything will happen in the background. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.